Welcome everybody. My name is Tony and this is my sister Angela and we're from Success Options Group and we're here to introduce you a new segment that we call Bullish or Bearish.
So what exactly is bullish or bearish? Well, it's actually where we're going to be talking to you about current hot financial topics that you've been wanting to know about. Like all the things that you've been like, well, what is this about? And how do I figure out what I don't know? So how are we doing this?
I mean, what we're really good at is taking difficult topics and simplifying them. And I know that myself, I'm kind of guilty of this. I can get trapped in one train of thought way too easily. So when it comes to our finances, something that we all worry about, it's essential that we know both sides of the argument. And there's not that many people that can explain things, make them simple, and get you on a different train of thought, different path. But there is a disclaimer.
So the thing is that since we're trying to show you both sides of a story, like both points of view, it's not going to be possible for us to actually give you our own personal points of view. So we may or may not actually be our own personal feelings. So that's why you need to know that this is not financial advice. This is just education, like letting you know what you don't know that you don't know.
And we obviously can't do everything we would normally do in a workshop or a coaching session. I mean, we're trying to keep these to short segments, but something that's hard hitting enough to get you to think a little differently, because that's what's truly important is, how do you get out of that mindset, or how do you at least see what the other side's talking about?
So don't forget, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and definitely join us every single time.